All right, this is a Dyson V10. Really love this stick vacuum cleaner. Really good suction. Dyson is a well-known brand for vacuum cleaners. And if I can recommend anything is you just need a Dyson. You don't need to buy cheap vacuums because usually they don't really last that long, and Dyson does last a long time. And even if there's something that goes wrong with it, the customer service on Dyson is wonderful. Like this one broke down after like 2 years, I think. And then we went to the local Dyson store, and they pulled up in the file like, yeah, you bought this. It's still under warranty, and we'll get replacement for you ASAP. Great customer service, and that's why we can only want to buy Dyson from now on. So it comes with a little mount here. You can put this anywhere, and has like the different attachments on here. So when you're ready for it, it charges. Like you see the charge right there, and the power there. So just hooked up to the power. I've got the little just cleaning up the car the other day, and it just, the suction is so good, and you can open this really easily. Don't want to pull out the contents, but this is from all the car stuff, and you can see what it picks up, like hair, women's hair, men's hair, anything, a lot of dust, everything that it picks up everything. So the attachment's really easy to take off. You just take that on there and just put the next attachment on. You can even leave that whatever attachment you want, and just sucks up really well. Look at that. You can see the line where it cleaned. Like, that's how dusty the rest of the floor is. Crazy. So you can even leave this on there as well if you want to. You can leave whatever attachment, as long as there's enough height for the rod that it actually fits in there. So I just take that out, take the attachment off, and you can just leave it like that if you want to, and just put this one in there, just like that. Everything all in one. The attachments are really handy, good quality, and you're not going to lose suction. And if it does break down for some weird reason, the customer service is great. So highly recommend for yourself or a gift. It's a really good quality gift, and Dyson is a really good brand.